Just shout! Just shout! I like it.
If you're about to buy Adsight Pro from Sam Bakker, don't until you watch this video. Hey, real quick before we move on to the rest of this video, subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you can see some more videos from me. There's a lot of products out there that now JVZoo is just a place for a platform for vendors, affiliate vendors, or product makers, or I guess you'd call them product creators, whatever the fuck you want to call them. So yeah, JVZoo is a place for product creators to get affiliates to sell their products. And a lot of times they have good products, and a lot of times, just like everywhere else, they have pure shite. Pure shite, I say! And I want to say, I was going to purchase Adsight Pro just to give a demonstration to you guys of what it looks like on the inside. And I started reading into it and looking at their demos, and I'm like, why the fuck would I do that? I mean, even if you don't know anything about internet marketing, you might fall for this horse shit. Or maybe you're going, this is a good idea, because you don't know nothing about Facebook ads. But why the fuck would I buy Adsight Pro? I shouldn't be swearing so much. Why the fudge would I buy Adsight Pro when Facebook gives me audience insights? It's just stupid. So here, let me show you what I mean. Let's go look at these two, compare these two up here. All right, so here's this guy. Now, one thing about this Sam Bakker or Baker guy, if that's even his real name, he's a hell of a salesman. An absolute hell of a salesman. However, when you look at what he's trying to sell, it looks like pure shit. I don't even think I can make this go full screen. They won't even let me do that. So here, we'll just try to pay attention here. Let me play this.
Or might be that we want to advertise a video software of ours.
Yeah.
Go over to Facebook and then do a search in the Facebook Ads Manager. As you can see, once again, we're only shown a very limited amount of keywords to choose from. Now if we go over to the Adsight...
That is not true. That is not true, and that's not how you find your fuck... If you're going into Facebook ads and that's how you're finding your target audience, it's a good damn thing you just showed up in this video. However, Adsight Pro is horse shit. It's going to give you audience sizes. This is what it does. If you look here, you put in a keyword, it gives you all these interests, you can check it off, and then it will throw it into a file for you so you can upload it to Facebook. Go, this is what I want to target. Fucking idiots. No. What you do is you go to your Facebook ad manager. All right, once you're there, you see these little dots. You click on your tools. You scroll down to analyze and report, and you find audience insights. Dun, dun, dun. And this is the place you go to actually get your Facebook ad audience narrowed down. Now, here, all I'm going to do the same thing he did. I'm going to type in video. All those damn keywords are right there that he had. I just want to go enter that shit. All right, now, it gives me right here on demographics. His didn't give you demographics. His just gave you fucking keywords of how many people were actually in that keyword. All right, this is going to give me specific demographics so I can stupid keyword. He gives another example later on in this video. Coffee. That's his other stupid one, coffee. All right, so let's see what he says about this.
Who in our local area has a genuine interest in coffee? Now with Adsight Pro, this becomes easy. As you can see, Adsight Pro finds a wide range of profitable keywords that you can then advertise to over Facebook. It takes just seconds with Adsight Pro's special search engine to identify opportunities and find the perfect...
And they just give you a file to download with those keywords.
Or services. You can follow the same process I've shown you here for audience behaviors. So there you have it. Targeting with ads.
Absolute horse shite. So I come over here to audience insights. So we'll put in coffee and get rid of video so I can show you. All right. Oops, I got to know how to spell that shit. All right. So I put in coffee. Top categories that come up: furniture, clothing, beauty, product, service. American restaurants, public figures, juggling the Jenkins, whatever that is, ice cream shop. These are, blah, 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 blah. But these are categories. All right, so if I find a category up here that might actually have something to do with coffee, I'll save that category into a spreadsheet. Now, likes, page likes. I want to see if any of these have anything to do with coffee. All right, okay, so I put in coffee, and you can see all the different. I got, it gave me my demographics, who I should target, and it says right here, 66% of them are women. You know what I'm saying? 34% are men. That's good information to know. Their relationship status, how intelligent they are, what education level they have. And down here it tells you what job titles, people who are in the coffee industry. Now, page likes. This is where you can really start narrowing it down. And you want to, a lot of these, you have to go through them and see relatively which ones would best target coffee drinkers. And you can target all these different, and it tells you all the information over here, the audience size on Facebook, the affinity, how likely your audience is to like a given page compared to everyone on Facebook about coffee. All right? This is where I find my targeted audience. All right? I can also find people who are connected to my page. Stuff like that. All right, so I put in affiliate marketing, and I have just the United States. That's the other thing, too, I haven't showed you. I'm just showing you real quick the insights. I'm not trying to give you a course on audience insights. I'm just trying to show you don't need Adsight Pro when fucking Facebook gives you something for free that's better. Okay? So I can put any country I want here. I'll put in United Kingdom. Bam. And you see here my audience is between 9,000 and 1 million people with just that keyword. But I want to narrow that down a little bit, right? So what I'll do is I'll look at the demographics. All right? And it looks like between 25 and 44 is what I want to target. Maybe 25 and 54. All right? And it's going to tell me that 54% are women, 46% are men. So it tells me pretty much when I create my ad, I need to make it more probably gender neutral at this point, because it's almost 50-50. So I'm getting information about my ad here too, if you're smart enough to think that way. All right, my relationship status, it tells me which ones, how many are married, in a relationship, single. So, and 5% are engaged. I mean, this could be interesting if I really wanted to narrow down. All right, education level. How many of them went to college or are interested in, this is interesting to know too, people who are interested in affiliate marketing, 67% of them had gone to college. So they know that the job market sucks. All right, and of course, job title. Now here's the interesting part. Page likes. Page likes. Look at all the top categories. Personal blogs, The Motherick, Living in Yellow, Russell Brunson, Gary Vaynerchuk. I can never say his fucking name right. He needs to change his name. Robert Kiyosaki, he's a great one. I like listening to his. Poor Man, Rich Man, that's who wrote that. Or he wrote that. Publisher, entrepreneur. These are all great places to target categories. So I would take some of these, figure out what they look like, and see if they're relevant to my audience. And they are. And then down here you got page likes. And this is where you really get narrowed. So I want to take, and it tells you right here, so we'll look at this page. The mother chick. The mother chick. The mother. Okay. Let's see here. Another day. She's obviously an affiliate marketer that has a huge following. Awesome. So, but she's into fashion. So if my affiliate products are about this type of stuff, you can see right here, shop style. Let's see what her link looks like. We'll find out real quick by following her thread. See right there, she is an affiliate marketer who has built up a lovely page of 4,201, or I can't even, 421,000 1,000 people. So this is important. So if I'm doing an affiliate product or even an e-com product that has something to do with the stuff that she's selling, which looks like women's fashion, I could target all these people because these people probably are buyers because they've already liked her stuff. I mean, they're probably buying from her, you know, blah, 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 blah. So this is something I could target. I could target her audience, all right? That's not a problem. So I would take this information and I would copy it into a spreadsheet or a text doc or whatever, however you want to keep your information. And this is how you find a targeted audience, not by just simple keyword. Keyword is just a guide. Then you take that keyword and you find people that are actually interested, a warmer audience, by using audience insights. All right? Fucking Adsight. Don't buy Adsight Pro, guys. I'm telling you right now. Not now, fuckers. Don't buy that horse shit. Everybody's out there trying to buy software that's going to improve or make their job easier. There are some out there, but not for Facebook ads. Facebook's not going to say, hey, dude, I got you. No, you're an idiot if you think this software is anything but a big-ass pile of shit. Don't buy it. I could be like every other affiliate marketer out there and try to sell this to you, but I can't. I just can't. However, if you're a jackass and you still want to buy it, I left that link down below in the description for you. I mean, go ahead. Enjoy yourself with it. But don't buy it. It's a bad idea. It's a bad idea. This is my Adsight Pro review.